Welcome to the demonstration of the NearFi coupler for contactless power and real-time Ethernet transmission. As automation increases, traditional connectors wear out and faster and cause communication issues. We use contactless transmission across an air gap to avoid wear and prevent downtime. This lets mobile systems run without physical connectors, no more failures from damaged contacts or slip rings. NearFi delivers latency-free communication for all Ethernet protocols, even Ethercat, using two full duplex 60 GHz channels. It also provides up to 100 Watt of contactless power with a stable 24 volt output across the full range. The system is extremely easy to use. No IDs, no addresses, no protocol. Just a zero configuration physical layer. Its robust bit-level transmission keeps it unaffected by cyber rules and stable even with offset or angle changes. The rugged housings withstand harsh industrial environments, including welding spatter and chemicals. NearFi's patented technology is unique on the market and has already won several awards. This example shows a workpiece carrier moving parts through automatic production. It's always in motion and uses sensors, actuators and valves. Normally, their data is sent to the controller through Ethernet connectors, but constant motion causes these connectors to wear out. Switching to Wi-Fi often isn't an option because factory networks are already overloaded. NearFi eliminates downtime caused by communication issues. The green LED ring instantly shows an active link. Now let's see how contactless power and Ethernet transmission works. The static unit includes the power supply and the PROFINET controller. The NearFi base coupler is connected via Ethernet cable and power cable. The mobile unit from the application, there is a remote I/O module which is communicating PROFINET via the PLC over the NearFi couplers. The I/O module is connected to the remote coupler. When the remote coupler comes close, power starts in between 50 milliseconds. The communication is visualized by a running light on the I/O module. The Ethernet LED is showing activity on the Ethernet ports, also on the NearFi couplers. NearFi works even when the alignment isn't perfect. Thanks to wide tolerance and simple mounting, exact positioning isn't needed, which makes the connection process faster. NearFi reduces downtime with reliable near-field communication and strong interference immunity even around Wi-Fi and other electromagnetic noise. No wireless knowledge needed, no frequency planning required. Thank you for watching. We hope this gave you helpful insights and new ideas.